welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. I remain your guide, Stanimat Okay, and in today's video, I will show you 5 must-have apps every student should have on their smartphones. Whether you are in high school, university, or just trying to stay organized and productive, pay attention to this video. These apps will help you study smarter, manage your time, take notes easily, and even earn a little extra money online with just your smartphone. Stay till the end. The last app might just become your new favorite tool. The number one there is Notion, your all-in-one digital notebook. With Notion app, you can create class schedules, plan your assignments and exams, take aesthetic notes, and sync them across all devices. It is super flexible. You can even create pages for your goals, budgets, and to-do lists. To get started, search Notion student template on Google or YouTube and find free templates you can import instantly. Number 2 there is Google Calendar for time management. If you ever forget deadlines for classes, this app will literally save your semester. You can set reminders for classes, projects, and even personal goals. Sync it with your email and get notifications for upcoming assignments and exams. Color code your events, red for exams, blue for lectures, green for breaks. This makes your week easier to visualize. Number 3 is Grammarly for better writing. For people where they make mistake while writing maybe assignments. Whether you are writing essays, emails, or presentations, Grammarly checks your grammar, spelling, and tone all in real time. It even works on WhatsApp, Chrome, and Google Docs. So, before you send that assignment to your lecturer or post on LinkedIn, run it through Grammarly and sound professional every time. The free version is good enough for students, but if you want extra features like plagiarism checks, then you should go for the premium plan. Number 4, there is Forest for focus and productivity. This app helps you stay focused and avoid phone distractions when studying. Here is how it works. When you start a study session, you plant a virtual tree. If you leave the app to scroll through Instagram or TikTok, your tree dies. It's a fun way to challenge yourself to stay focused. Plus, the more you use it, the more virtual trees you grow, and the company even plants real ones. Number 5 there is Google Opinion Rewards for earning money. This one depends on your location, so you have to go and check if it's in your location. Yes, students can make small amounts of money just by answering short surveys from Google. Every survey takes about 20 to 30 seconds, and you earn Google Play credit or PayPal cash depending on your region. It is not going to make you rich, but it's a nice way to earn for app subscriptions, games, or little tricks. Try them out today and turn your phone into a student success tool, not just a distraction for watching Netflix or watching movie box and the rest. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next video on how students can use AI tools to study smarter and make money online. Drop a comment below with your favorite student app. I might feature it in my next video.